Hello friends, in this unit 4 now we are going to discuss about renewable and non-renewable energy. There are two types of energy resources. One is renewable energy and another one is non-renewable energy. Renewable energy means which occur naturally that can be regenerated again and again continuously in inexhaustible, endless manner. Like wind, it will never end. Solar energy, sunlight, it will never end. So these are renewable energy. What are the merits of using this renewable energy? For unlimited supply, there is no limit for that. Sun never ends, wind never stops. Yes, it's provide energy security. So sustainable development, it will be useful for sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Utilizing the resources in a proper manner so that our future generation can also be utilizing our benefits. Enjoying the benefits, keeping the future generation in mind. So reliable device model can be formed for that. So what are the non-renewable energy sources? Actually, it cannot be regenerated. Coal, crude oil, fossil fuels cannot be regenerated. Yes. So these are things. So in natural resources, solar energy. We receive sunlight. We have some photovoltaic cells. Sunlight falls on that. Due to the photoelectric effect discovered by Einstein, the electrons get transferred, come out of the shells. So movement of electron which produces electrical energy. What are the advantage? Yeah, there is no stoppage. Every day we receive sunlight. So we can get energy all the way. So no pollution, no sound, or nothing else. What are disadvantage? Installation cost is high. That's only disadvantage. The another one, during cloudy days, during rainy days, we can't get a continuous solar energy. Sometimes it may be interrupted. So storage in capacity for the solar energy is very low. But even though it plays an important role, we use solar water heaters. Nowadays, government has implemented street lights based on the solar energy. So in India, Gujarat installed a very large solar power plant. Yeah, Noor complex. Have you heard about Noor complex in Sahara Desert? It's the world's largest nuclear installation. Solar installation. Yes. So this is a picture where here is solar water heaters. So the solar water heaters has some copper wires, and it is inside a blackened material. So it receives heat, collects heat, water can be heated. So solar water heaters, it's an advantage. Nowadays every house have this. So next is wind energy. What about wind energy? So wind energy, there is a fan-like material. It's rotating like dynamo effect. When it rotates like dynamo, it produces electrical current. Wind never ends, so it is also a renewable energy source. So what are the advantages of this wind energy? Yeah, cheap energy. Yes, okay. So it is renewable energy. Okay. What are disadvantages? The same, installation cost is very high. And when wind energy has been implemented, the region around will get some disturbances in electromagnetic radiations. So birds flying regions, normally the birds fly through that area, it gets interrupted. So have some disadvantage. So the picture you are seeing here is tidal energy. What's a tide? Tide is an increasing rise and fall of water level in the sea. particularly due to the gravitational attraction of sun and moon. Understand? It's not a wave, it's a tide. It is due to the gravitational attraction of sun and moon. There will be a rise of water and there will be a fall of water. When the water rises, we construct a building like this, and we have a turbine here. So when water moves inside, the turbine rotates, it produces electricity. It's a cheap source of energy. Then biogas energy. So we dump certain plant materials or cow dung, etc. like that. We have a digester here. It will digest. It produces methane. We get biogas. It is also an renewable energy. So there are a lot of energy like this. Nowadays we are using nuclear energy in a large scale based on nuclear fission reaction. So increasing energy demand in our country, even though we are utilizing this kind of energy, we need more production. That's why we are moving into nuclear energy production. It has some disadvantages we discussed in our earlier class. So thank you.